Every day includes a hike for us, so this day is no different. But we're going to combine it with two things. It was dark when we got here last night, so we're going to go check in at the office, and then we're going to walk over, and our hike's going to be walking on the beach and then hiking back to the nature trail.
That's the ultra condensed version of an incredible 15,000-mile journey.
Playing with Mom.
I keep them forever. I treasure them.
Hey, I know them.
If I was offered,
Sweet dreams, babe. Love you too.
Hi, if you're new here, we're Owen, Lynn, and Maggie, and we're glad you found us.
We created this short video with the hopes of showing you what a typical day of camping in the Ekko is for us.
But as we put this together, we quickly realized our typical day is not in the Ekko.
It's where the Ekko takes us, outside, in nature, doing the things that we love.
For us, this is camping.
Along our journey, we've learned that the more thankful we are,
The more we have to be thankful for. Many of you tell us that you're thankful for our videos.
when in fact we're thankful for you, for your support, for your comments, and most of all, for your friendship.
As much as we love being out in nature, we love being with you more.
And for that, we're thankful. We're thankful that you're part of our journey. And if you live in the U.S.,
Happy Thanksgiving.
and happy tales.
Hi, if you're new here, we're Owen, Lynn, and Maggie.
And when we, hey sweetheart, hey sweetheart, I know. All right, do it again.
Okay. Hi, if you're new here,
She's bored with it already.